A very warm good morning, dear students. Myself Shashi Bhushan Singh, and I am your new English teacher. Now, today we are going to study a topic from class 8, and the topic is determiners. Now, let me define it. Now, determiners are the words that introduce a noun and modify it by telling us something about the nouns. Now, all the determiners, they just come before the nouns and act like adjectives. Okay, so now let us discuss the types of determiners one by one. So the first type of determiner is an article determiner. Now in article determiner we have two types, one is definite and the other is indefinite. Now the definite one is the, and the indefinite is a and an. Now the we use usually in sentences like he is the boy who came to my house. Now here we are talking of a specific boy who came to my house. That is the school where I study. So the child is talking about one specific school where he studies. A and basically A is used before all the consonants and an is used before the vowel sounds. So now let us come to the next one. Demonstrative determiners are used to indicate to any material or a substance. Now they are used to demonstrate. This and these are used for near objects, and that and those are used for far off objects. Now these and those both are used for plural nouns, and this and that is used for singular nouns. Like, this man is wonderful. That house is beautiful. These mangoes are ripe. Those mangoes are green. So we have to use all these particular example just before the noun. They should precede a noun. Let us come to possessive determiners. Possessive determiners show the belongingness of a substance to a noun. Now we can use that is my dog, my dog. So it is the specific dog about which the person is indicating. Now this is your house. It is his pen. It is her frog. It is their house, right? So all these words basically indicate possessiveness of a person to a noun. Now let us come to the quantifiers. Now quantifiers talk about the quantity. Now nouns, as you know, are countable as well as uncountable. So quantity basically tells about the quantity of noun. So there is some water in the bottle. There is little sugar left with me. There are many stars in the sky. I have much patience. Now patience is something which cannot be counted in numbers. So that much, I have much patience here. The word much is used for uncountable nouns. Now let us come to the number determiners. Now numbers talk about the quantity which can be counted. So now number again is of two types, cardinal and ordinal. In cardinal we have like 1, 2, 3. I have 2 coins with me. I have 3 coins with me. I live on the first floor. I live on the first floor. He has the second plot. So second plot is noun, and second is a determiner. Now let's come to the distributed determiner. Each, every, either and neither. So each boy has got a pen. Every house has got electricity in it. Either of the boys will go to cinema. Neither of the girls will study. So all these words basically are just preceded by a noun. They modify a noun, as the definition says here. That words that introduce a noun and modify it by telling us something important about the nouns is called determiners. Now let us come to the last type of determiner, that is interrogative. Now interrogative, as you know, are the words that are used to ask questions. So we can use this which and whose in front of a noun. Like, which house is yours? So house is a noun, and which just used in front of it is the example of an interrogative determiner. Whose frock is this? So frock is noun and whose is used just in front of it. So again that acts like an adjective, and it is called interrogative determiner. So through this TLM again I have tried to explain. You see here determiners, the definition is given. The different types of determiners, article determiners, possessive determiners, quantifiers, demonstrative, numeral and distributive, which I have already discussed in detail. Now students, I recommend you to open your books, study the entire thing, write the definition of determiner in your homework copy, write the different kinds of determiners, also give examples and go through the entire chapter thoroughly. I think this session must be very informative for you and it will help you in solving all the exercises. All the best, stay healthy and safe at your home. Thank you.